Xenterra, a sub-brand of HDL Automation, a global leader in smart home solutions since 1985, drives the renewable energy revolution with its state-of-the-art solar inverter, energy storage battery, and advanced smart solar controllers. Headquartered in Guangzhou, China, our modern facility spans 13,500 square meters and employs nearly 400 skilled professionals dedicated to excellence. Our expert teams focus on product R&D, production, quality control, marketing, and after-sales support, ensuring 100% in-house production of high-performance, reliable, and safe solar energy storage products to meet evolving demands quickly. Through strict IPD processes, continuous production upgrades, and a 40-year legacy of quality management certified by ISO 9001, CE, and IEC standards, we achieve up to 99% first pass yield. Rigorous testing by DEKRA, a leading global testing and certification authority, further ensures that every product meets the highest global benchmarks. Today, our products are trusted in 106 countries and regions across Europe, North America, the Middle East, Oceania, Southeast Asia, and Africa, and are widely utilized throughout all provinces and major cities in China. By combining competitive pricing with reliable quality, we've built strong partnerships worldwide. Customers appreciate our commitment to mutual benefits, rapid response to market needs, and professional technical support. Whether you're a homeowner seeking efficient solar solutions or a business looking for sustainable energy systems, Xenterra delivers tailored services to ensure your success. We invite new partners globally to explore collaborative opportunities for a greener future.